Hello everybody, welcome you in the next lecture of the last case of equations of first order and higher degree, that is solvable for x. Previously we read about solvable for y and solvable for p. Here we take x as a function of y and p and then differentiate it with respect to y. We get 1 by p dx upon dy. Because we know dy by dx is p, so we are differentiating x with respect to y, so we get 1 by p is equal to 5 yp dp upon dy. Means here phi is a function of yp dp upon dy. After here we check out for its solution. Eliminate p from equation 1. The basic criteria is to eliminate p from the equation 1. That is, we will calculate the value of p and then we will put it into the equation 1. Now let us start with a problem. We will put x to the left side and all y term and p term to the right side. Then it will become the function of y comma p. X will become the function of y comma p. So from here we can write x is equal to y minus y square p cube upon 2p. Then we will differentiate the term with respect to y. So dx upon dy is equal to 1 by p, and from here we know it is u by v form. Then differentiate it, and after differentiating we will get half p 1 minus 2y into p cube minus y square 3p square dp upon dy, then minus y square p cube dp upon dy upon p square. We used u by v form, v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square, we already know. Then from here we can write 2p is equal to p minus 2yp to the power 4 minus 3y square p cube dp upon dy minus y dp upon dy plus y square p cube dp upon dy. We simply cross multiplied it and written this equation. Now we will take this all term to the left side, and then what we get, p plus 2yp to the power 4, because 2p minus p gives p, plus 2yp to the power 4, then plus 3y square p cube dp upon dy minus y dp upon dy plus y square p cube dp upon dy. इसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इसके सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे. तो चलिए देखते हैं इसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे निकालना है. Take common p from here, 1 plus 2y p to the power cube plus y dp upon dy 1 plus 2y p to the power cube is equal to 0. So from here we can write what, taking common this 1 plus 2y p to the power cube and then p plus y dp by dy is equal to 0. This term will gives us the general solution, so we will take this term and neglecting this term. So from here what we can write, p plus y dp upon dy is equal to 0. So from here we can write what, d upon dy into py is equal to 0. This will give the above term. Now what we will do, we will integrate it. So after integrating, what we will get? We will get py is equal to constant c. Integrate this term, then what we will get? This term is equal to c. So from here we get the value of p as c upon y, and then put this value in the main required equation. The equation was what? X is equal to y minus y square p cube upon 2p. Now we will put the value of p in this equation. X is equal to y minus y square into c upon y whole cube upon 2 into c upon y. So from here at last we get y square is equal to 2cx plus c cube, which is the required answer. Now I am giving you one problem related to it. You must try at your home. You can write the problem: p cube y plus 2px is equal to y. This is your problem. You should must try at your home. And if any doubt, please ask in the comment box, and you can contact me also. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel and video.